Have you ever struggled to build a landing page where you basically try to figure out what components you're going to use on this page, but you just can't figure it out for some reason? You don't know what's going to work. You don't know if you should use this type of headline. You don't know what kind of social proof is going to work. You're not sure what kind of benefits and the way everyone talks about benefits, use benefits in your copy, but no one really explains how to use benefits, right? You're not sure what's going to work. You're not sure what's going to convert. In this video, I'm going to give you my $5 million landing page framework that we've used to build over 50 landing pages in the past 12 months. And this is battle tested. Like, this is literally plug and play. So you can literally take this, tell ChatGPT, give me a copy according to this structure, and it's going to give it to your cloud, because cloud is way better. So that's why if you look at this My Robot that we have here, you can see that this is like really, really long. It's quite long, not too long. So I'm going to be breaking this down and showing you all of the components you need. So at the end of this video, what you're going to get is a full structure that you're going to use your landing page, that you're going to use to build your landing page today, like right now. And all you need to do is just fill in the copy, literally, and just make the design as well. So if you need a landing page built for your info product, coaching or consulting business, or any business at all, just click the link in my description and book a call with us. And if you like this kind of videos, like and subscribe to see more. Now, the first one is your above the fold. So this has 6 components. And the first one is going to be your eyebrow text. And the eyebrow text is very simple. All you need to do is call out your ICP, the person you're targeting. And I'm going to show you visual examples of all of this stuff. I'm going to show you visual examples so you can understand what I'm saying. It makes it a lot clearer. And your eyebrow text is going to call out your ideal client or call out a particular pain point. It's very simple. Your headline is going to address a primary concern that your prospect has. It's also going to add in some curiosity, and it's going to promise a dream outcome. The subheadline is going to support what the headline has said. The VSL is going to present the sales arguments in video format. The CTA button is going to give them easy and immediate access to the product. Your social proof is going to show the number of people using the solution right now. Your benefits are going to show some quick benefits of using the product. Now, let's go look at a visual example. So you can see here, this is one of a landing page would be for one of our clients. And you can see this follows the exact framework I'm talking about here. And if you follow this framework, your landing page is going to convert. Now, the predictable growth frameworks helping regular B2B SaaS founders book nights 2+ monthly demos a month. You can see how it adds in curiosity using the predictable growth frameworks. You're not sure what that is. And also a dream outcome here. So you have a subheadline, you have a VSL, you have your social proof, and your CTA button, and you also have some quick benefits. That's literally all you need. The reason why you need all of this stuff is that on average, about 60% of people don't scroll past the above the fold. So you need enough information. You need enough information to get them to take an action, right? You need all of this information in order to get them to take an action, because they're not going to scroll either way. So if you want to get the most out of your traffic, you need to make sure your above the fold is optimized. You need to make sure that they have all of the components they need to take an action. It's very simple. The next one is the problems. Very simple. So this section is going to highlight the symptoms of the problems they face while bringing them to light simultaneously as well. So instead of saying you're broke, you can see something like, are you hiding the credit card bills from your wife? And we're going to see a visual example here. So you can see here the problem with B2B SaaS. The truth is, building predictable growth for a B2B SaaS company is harder than any other business. You can't just throw money at ads like e-commerce. And you can see here, we're basically just digging into the problems, because everyone that's going to come to your page is either going to be problem aware or solution aware. But for the most part, what we've seen is that they're usually, especially if they're coming from cold traffic, they're problem unaware or problem aware. So whether they are problem aware or problem unaware, we still need to intensify those problems before we can sell them the solution. It's extremely important to understand that. And basically, the solution, the awareness level when it comes to the solution is basically solution aware and solution unaware. So this is something that you have to keep in mind whenever you're building a funnel. You need to create it according to the awareness level. If this product was being run if the traffic is coming from organic, then it will probably be a bit different, right? Because we're still going to intensify the pain points, but the main focus is going to be the solutions that we have to offer, because they already understand what the problems are. So they've already passed the phase of being problem aware and problem unaware, and it's basically going into the awareness level of the solution. Next, Authority building for plus mechanism of the false solution. So this section is going to build authority with the prospect while also making an argument. I don't know why I added that there, but it's going to build the authority with the prospect while also making an argument for why other solutions are flawed or inefficient. So all you need is a simple argument against the false solution. All the solutions are your competition. So this is what it looks like. Here's the truth about user acquisition. And here we go over reasons why, B2B SaaS founders aren't scaling, right? That's literally all you need to do. Just a simple argument. And all of this flows psychologically, so you need to understand that. The next one here is your product and benefits. So this is going to introduce the product and show off some immediate benefits to the product. Bear in mind, you're not yet showing all of the benefits. You just want to show them a glimpse into the benefits of using the product. So let's show you a visual example. Introducing the SaaS incubator, we have this. Inside you get this, and this. So these are just some quick benefits to show them what the product can do for them. And we have the CTA. That's all you need to do. The next section is going to be qualification. This section is extremely important. In fact, I think it's downplayed a lot by people who build landing pages. They don't understand how well qualification plays, how well of a role it plays in bringing your ideal customer to book a call with you to make a purchase, right? Because we only want people who are qualified for our offer. So in order to do that, we need to create a qualifying and disqualifying statements to make it clear who wants to sell to. And this is also going to strengthen your prospect's trust in the product, because you understand who they are fundamentally. So let's show you an example. Who is this for? SaaS Incubator is built for beginner and experienced founders alike, but specifically this is for you if you're not happy with your churn, demo flow, and monthly acquisition. Because if someone is happy with the churn, demo flow, and monthly acquisition, guess what? They don't need the product. So we need to call out the audience using qualifications. We need to make it crystal clear who we're targeting. We're targeting these people. We're not targeting these people. That's what you need to do. You can literally just copy this. The next is your offer and value stack. And so in this section, you need to go over the benefits. I'm just sweating. But anyways, in this section, you need to go over the benefits. But even more than that, you need to go into specific topics or modules that they get access to once they buy your product. And when I'm talking about topics or modules, I'm speaking in the context of an info product. So if it's a real estate service or a real estate, kind of service that you're rendering to people, then it could be, showing them all of the deliverables like inspection, transaction management, and stuff like that. Basically just to make it very clear to them what's in the product, and it's going to remove any doubt and ambiguity, because the worst thing you want to do in a landing page is add doubt or ambiguity. You need to make it very clear what you're trying to sell. So this is a very crucial part of the landing page, and it's going to give you enough information to make a decision. So let's show you what that looks like. If you take a look here, a sneak peek of what's inside Module 1, B2B SaaS, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, Module 6, 7, and the bonus, get instant access. That's what you need to do. And here, we're not just telling them, okay, these are the modules. We're also expanding on the modules, showing them some of what they're going to learn, giving them descriptions, making them have a vivid image, a clear image of what they're going to get. It's extremely important. Personal story. So this section is going to strengthen trust and build more authority by leveraging a personal story. And this section also helps people who didn't watch the VSL understand who this is and why they're credible. But for the people who did watch it, you could probably add in another sales argument here to push them further down the line. So let's show you what this looks like. So why trust me? Here's the harsh truth about most B2B SaaS growth advice. It comes from founders who haven't grown a real business in years. Blah, 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 blah. Basically building credibility. That's what you need to do here. And the next section is your pricing. So if you sell a low ticket product, you need pricing on the page. There are cases where you don't need the pricing on the page, and I'm going to explain on the next slide. So show them the initial benefits while also adding some extra benefits. And towards the end of the pricing card, create price anchoring by utilizing other expensive but similar products to increase the product specific value. So let's see that in action. So SaaS incubator program, learn proven methods, bonus one-on-one access to me via messages, bonus weekly coaching calls, bonus exclusive community access. And then we do the price anchoring where we compare it to other courses with similar information and one-on-one services with similar results. And you get everything for $20. Sounds ridiculous, but that's the power of value stacking plus price anchoring. It's very important. You need to follow it exactly like this. So get instant access now. Type form. So if you sell a high ticket product, you need the type form. You don't need the pricing. If you put the pricing, you're just going to mess up your conversions, right? So create a type form that's going to be used for qualification. So this is going to help you filter the leads that are coming through before the book a call with you. And if they don't qualify, you redirect them to a low ticket product landing page. Very simple and self-explanatory. So you can see that example here. This is a landing page that will be for a client for a high ticket product. And you can see that instead of pricing, we have the type form here. And this is going to help you filter people. And it's so important to do this because you don't want people who are not qualified booking a call on your calendar. You only want people who are qualified, and you want to keep the slots open for people who are qualified instead of letting people who are not qualified, who don't have the money to afford it, to book in a call and then close the spot for people who are going to be otherwise qualified, right? Now, the next one is the money back guarantee. This is going to serve as a risk reversal mechanism for the product, for the offer, and also helps with trust and credibility. Only for low ticket products, because for high ticket products, you're not showing them the price, so there's no business with a money back guarantee on a high ticket landing page. So you have your 100% money back guarantee, and then you probably already guessed the next section. Frequently asked questions. So this section is going to help you with objection handling. So collect the 7 most asked questions, answer all of them, and use them for the FAQ. That's literally all you need to do. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basically. This is all you need, literally. And I keep scrolling down. All right. Close, footer. So remember, this is extremely important with objection handling. The close, this is going to give the prospect the final call to action, nothing complicated, just something like this. And they have a button. So that's all for this video. And if you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And remember, all of this stuff that I just gave you here, the whole framework, you can literally take this and ask ChatGPT to give you a copy according to your product using this framework, and you can literally just create your design. This is literally a cheat code for building out whatever landing page you want to build out. This is the framework. So I'm going to be linking this framework down below as well, so that you guys can have it, and it's very easy for you to go through. So if you need a landing page built for your info product, coaching, or consulting business, just click the link in the description and we'll see how we can help you. So click the link to our website, schedule a call with us, and we'll see how we can help you. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, whatever, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.